ऑल्सो टेल मी व्हाट चेंजेस आर यू सीइंग, क्या ट्रेंड्स आप अभी देख रहे हो लोगों के लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस में, ट्रेंड्स या सोशल मीडिया आने के बाद क्या ट्रेंड्स आप देख रहे हो, और आपके बिजनेस को या रियल एस्टेट को वो ट्रेंड्स कैसे इम्पैक्ट कर रहे हैं, कैसे इफ़ेक्ट कर रहे हैं, आने वाले कुछ सालों में आपका बिजनेस भी कैसे देख रहा है उन ट्रेंड्स को?
So one of the biggest things which happened, I think, during COVID, it sort of became a trigger, and then it evolved after that, was that आपके घर या आपके मतलब यूड से जैसे स्क्रीन के इधर वाली चीज़ें, लाइक द वे यू वर लिविंग एंड एटसेट्रा वाज नॉट सो एक्सेसिबल, ओनली आपके फ्रेंड्स या फैमिली जो घर पे आते थे वो देखते थे. Post COVID or during COVID, etc., it started showing, like it became an external point of view
अच्छा.
with influencers and everyone becoming a micro influencer. You started giving an access to your space or internally also,
अपने
sort of.
घर.
हाँ, मतलब आपका घर अब एक external viewpoint बन गया. So and then that journey of lifestyle upgrade and that appreciation sort of started to trigger in that okay, like how do you keep your home, how is your dining table set in, how does your living room looks.
Yeah.
All of that sort of becomes an appreciation point of view also, and sort of a lifestyle upgrade, which if I would see your living room and if I will appreciate it, I'll sort of upgrade my living room as well, and then that sort of set a chain reaction going in.
मतलब पहले जो होता था, लोग दिवाली के दिवाली घर पेंट कराते थे, साफ करवाते थे,
Correct.
या फिर किसी के घर में शादी होती थी, या जब पता है किसी ने आना है,
Correct.
तब लोग उसको घर को क्लीन करवा के साफ करवाते थे और अपग्रेड करने की कोशिश करते थे.
करेक्ट.
अब आप कह रहे हो कि ये एक नॉर्मल ट्रेंड बन गया है.
करेक्ट, बिकॉज अब आपका एक्सेस, आपने अपने घर को एक्सटर्नली काफ़ी ज़्यादा बाहर एक्सेसिबल कर दिया है विद सोशल मीडिया एंड ऑल, एंड दैट्स अ ट्रेंड विच इज started in COVID and still going on very strong.
Okay.
And the second major trend which we see is that people are becoming more and more independent in a way that even if there is a family of like the parents and the child, and the child gets married, it'll stay on a different floor or a different apartment even within the same city, the same locality, and etc. So that culture is sort of start of coming up in terms of having their own space, having their own independence and all. And that consumerism has started to evolve, which is
Okay.
sort of already the trend in US and all, which has started to come up or creep up, at least in urban cities of India. I won't say the same thing about tier 3 cities in that same regard, but at least in metro cities you will feel that trend, the independence living, or becoming, or like your house becoming more accessible to the outer world, that has started to shape up.
Also it has become easier to order. मतलब मैं आपके घर आया या मैंने आपका कुछ देखा, मुझे आपका सोफा अच्छा लगा, मुझे आपका कप अच्छा लगा, तो
Correct.
immediately I can click 2 buttons and I can get the same thing for my house also.
Correct.
मुझे कहीं जाना नहीं, कहीं ढूंढना नहीं, आपसे पूछना नहीं, सेम चीज़ मैं भी फिर अपने घर के लिए मंगाता हूँ.
Correct.
That is the trend that is happening. एक दूसरे को देख के फिर हर कोई अपग्रेड कर रहा है.
Correct. And in general also, like the disposable income A is increasing, and B, the trend of moving from saving to investment is also happening in India. That is also a post COVID trend, that in general people were like ki save karo. Now it's more like invest and spend. So saving is more like an investment kind of a thing now, that you invest in mutual fund, stocks, or whatever you want to invest in, and then the rest is for spending. It's not कि अब उसके बाद भी कुछ सेव करना है, मतलब उस वाला का concept है. And then obviously now the disposable income has increased, access to lending options is there, you have no cost EMI, you have rental options, you have in general like these
सारा दिन फोन आते रहते हैं, पर्सनल लोन ले लो,
exactly,
क्रेडिट कार्ड ले लो.
correct, and you have now pay, like buy now pay later, and this BNPL concepts and etc. is raising. So you just have a lot of disposable income available with you or with a normal customer, and that translates to consumerism, and that is shaping up. How it evolves over a period of time is yet to be seen कि कैसे चलेगा.
और ऑल्सो अभी जैसे दिवाली का सीज़न था, तो उससे पहले हाउस पार्टीज हो रही हैं, और हर कोई रादर देन गोइंग आउट, नाउ पीपल प्रेफर कि अब घर में पार्टी कर लेते हैं.
Correct.
तो फिर अगर घर पार्टी है तो फिर आपको घर को सजाना भी है.
Correct.
And that is becoming like a normal thing. I think especially in Delhi, Gurgaon, I see this.
Correct.